Welcome back, it's your boy DJ Rick Upper Live, and this is the Upper Live Show. Earlier we promised you that Young Flex PD we're going to be on set right here. Going to be giving you the freshest beats right here. Young Flex, you ready?
Long time.
It doesn't look like you're ready.
Long time. Run it. Yeah, me I say that, man. When you say Traxy, the 12, and next month, Loud and Brawley. What's a style? Young Flex out of London with the lyrical brain. You see the style when me up a drive the gal them insane. When me touch in a Jamaica, talk to look me from Spain. Some boy I try to keep up, but them couldn't maintain and get the arrest with the target. Yet still them is telling. Tell Babylon for free to get a use them from the chain. Ask them for me diamonds and pearls and me African girls. But when me looking at me and me sick of pain, none of the youths them a whole off the block. Them say the street hot, so like two pop them up and drop. Like some can go for the ones them will drop. Then go make a one turn and go drop in on the boy them. Like some informer boy, them want run from the truck. And them a ball but the work can't stop. Cause the farmer man never got to rape them crap. That's why. Don't gotta make dough. You gotta stay on, never stay low. You gotta hold on, never let go. You gotta hold on, never let go. Gotta make dough, gotta make dough. You gotta stay on, never stay low. You gotta hold on, never let go. You gotta hold on, never let go. Listen, so me say a song for the youths, them were in the cage. And I pray Jaja could have prayed them age. Cause time never wait on age. So me not go afraid to run up on stage. Nowadays every girl I go hard. That she youth tired and the boss boy still a pay minimum wage. Youth steady in the street, nobody not see it but a big curfew when police get great. Loyalty the plugs them lows. Big up cartel, me tell the boys that flow man shows. Artists sing but right, make them still I do the wrong. Me have to ask who shirt them shows. Me have to see it. What's a style? You don't know say a freestyle, we a freestyle enough. That's what me I say. Big up all the artists in my place. Listen, as Mr. P know the whole place shell on. Bust me a seminar, no time for bus gun. Container full of money, I come through custom. Bad mind can't talk, when them see with them must dump. So we set up shelf, we now got turn done. Laugh them a laugh, but we tell them the fun done. I tell the one bread back and the boy name bun, but poor life done. Lobster tail mama use cook run done. New year, step in a new gear. Bad mind a check, ask them. Who care? Young Flex name them sleep and the Nike here. No for them a ask if me jacket a white there. Anyway the money there, put me there right there. Tear from my pants, make them girls stare right clear. Don't see it's a life so unfair. They want to see me straight from me gun like right here. That's why me say big up the hustle and we hustle straight. Talk to make money and celebrate. When I look it from school days, so me never wait to go graduate. Money me I look to go elevate. So me touch the street, come me never late. Because I want the food from my daughter plate. Because I want, ready? You know see a Traxy? And we are going to play that one for the girls them and everybody will enjoy themselves. What's your style? Party setting. Tonight me a drink and have fun. Any sit down, me a chase the rum. Me no know when my time a come. Me a enjoy my life, me only got one. Tonight we a drink and have fun. Any sit down, we a chase the rum. Me no know when my time a. You see the 12 what next month, listener style. Tonight we a live it up, bar we a live it up. Y'all a wind up in a the middle and a jiggle up. When I whisper in a me ear, see a me shill up. And no bleaching when you hear me a say rub up. You no see a big time, party me say. Until the sun come up, me nah go nowhere. Come me brand new kicks, barely can dash way. Before me cuss, let me tell you what me say. Tonight me a, yeah me a say no, next track. You know me no bag a long shot you know. So that one ya, for the girl them. Lord and Brawley, I mean I'm Young Flex. Watch your style. Ooh, she said me at it. I like when I'm on a board man. Watch your style. So she run prof killer with the long love. She run prof killer with the long love. Don't tell you say your neighbor girl is going around when girl forget service. Say she run prof killer with the long love. Say she run prof killer with the long love. Don't tell her say your neighbor girl is going around when girl forget service. She say she want some of my stuff, so me give her the number for the WhatsApp. She ping me ask her what's up. She tell me if you come over for the fat stuff. When it come to girl, me not stalling. Jumping on me car, here I come, me darling. As me enter, she in a birthday suit. Me take off my suit, but me staying on my boots. She say hands up, when me stand up. Oh, that girl I want me, me go bank up. When she turn round and ask me what's up. Tell your body good, you get the thumbs up. So she say she run prof killer with the long love. She run prof killer with the long love. Don't tell us how your neighbor girl is coming around. When girl get service, say she run prof killer with the long love. She run prof killer with the long love. Don't tell us how your neighbor girl is. You want to hear the second verse now? So we start on the floor, then we take it on the bed. She drop on her knees cause she hurt her leg. She get the magic touch, hurt up her head. She a ball and a scream and a beg, hey girl, climb on the pole with your legs on my shoulder. Insert me hard drive inside your folder. You may say, 12 and next month, forward up. She say hands up.
Right now, there you have it, Young Flex PD right here on the Upper Line Show. Make sure if you're out there right now, you're an artist, you need to get on this show right here. Each and every week, we bring you the freshest artists from in and around the city of London. So make sure you subscribe to the World Mag website. That's www.worldmag.com. Click onto the Upper Line tab, get in contact with us, and we will get in contact with you. Get on the show, Upper Line right here.